What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your old pants into some new shorts. Let's get to the video. So what you need for this tutorial is very simple. You need sellotape, tweezers, and some scissors. The tweezers also help me to remove the sellotape. It's super easy. So when you remove the sellotape and place it on where you want your shorts to reach, I like the sellotape because when you cut from the bottom, you can also fold it if you want to fold your shorts, or you can leave them the way they are. You see the distance between where you want your short to be, and then that's where you place the sellotape and cut. Just follow the straight line on the tape at the bottom from the beginning to the end. My shorts are folded, so that means I'm cutting on both sides at the same time. Once you're done cutting, now you take the tweezers and start to rip off the loose ends. So you see there's going to be some strings at the bottom of your shorts. You just pull them out. Feel free, don't be shy. Pull them to the length that you want so that it makes your jeans look rugged. So just keep stringing them out. You can pull, if the string is not close, you can just pull it out. It's still going to come out. So you have to repeating the process on both sides until it's done. Once you're finished, you can try your shorts out. I actually tried this method on 3 different shorts, and this is how the looks came out. That is it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. If you like these types of videos, thumbs up. Please subscribe. Don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.